Okay, this is TM21. It's a bit yellowish. Internal is like this. It's all working well. This metal piece is loose, like it come out like this, but it's okay. You just put it back. It doesn't affect anything. So I'll put this one in. Just on the power, the main switch here, on it. You can see it's lighted up. So I want to weigh. Press the weigh. So now it's going to weigh. So you can see the barley winter melon is in, and it's actually 60 grams. This one now is 0. As I pour, you can see the weight is showing. You can see the pandan leaf, winter melon, barley and water are inside. Set it to 40 minutes. Just turn this. Set this to 100 degree. And I want to, oh, I forgot to put the cover back. Okay. Put the measuring cup on top of the cup. Then now I'm going to set it to speed 100 degree. So it's working. See, it's stirring inside. Oh, it's very hot. So just remove this. Oh, I need to turn down this. Then I can remove this. So now I can remove. Yeah. Show you the blending function. Just now the barley drink is inside. Choose my speed, right? 1. See? The higher the speed, the faster it is, the finer. You hear the sound? It's blending inside. See? Disconnect. Okay. Or if you want to use a turbo speed, which is turbo means very fast. So you see, as you press, it's working. You don't want it to work, then you stop. You can see it's 4 seconds, 5 seconds already. Yeah. I let go. I'll just let you see. If I use the slower speed, faster speed. Yeah. Okay. It's all working. See, that's how smooth it is. After you use it, it's hot here. This part is all very hot. Don't touch it. I'm going to show you how to dismantle to wash. It's very easy. You just hold it and turn. Turn. That's it. The base come out. If this is clean, don't even need to wash. You just need to wash this one. That's it. Very easy.